No chance anybody ever been interested in turning up anyway, to be honest.
That's true. I'm getting a little bit of like.
Right, Smidge, I have to go.
On this menu.
Ah, that's right. See you later.
Right, I'll see you today. You can go Outcasters again now.
Yeah. Well, I can't because I'm talking to Rob on TeamSpeak, but I can't really join their squad because they're always on TeamSpeak.
Yeah, you do repeat stuff.
Right, it's test number 2. See
I
how
wonder
it
if
goes.
Yao has replied to any of my
Get! Oh, the frame rate's good this time. Oh, it's just not.
Yeah.
There it is.
User disconnected from your
Just
channel.
how. No, this isn't. Well, 30 frame. It's saying I'm getting 30 frames, which is right, but it feels. Perhaps if I first of all increase my sensitivity, it might help a little bit because it does feel. Come on. Yeah, it's definitely not quite right, but hey. Let's see what happens. Wow! Oh, this is a different ending. It's different last time. Oh! That was different.
I always knew you would come. You're my hero. The others are all dead, aren't they? That's alright, because I was going to have them killed anyway. I am going to be Empress.
Hopefully, this is much better. And hopefully it won't be silly and double upload it. Okay, so stop recording now. Bye!